wanted to be able to edit a document simultaneously as you are with your classmates on a class reunion and write like this. As you can see, we are all editing the document simultaneously, all on the same document, and that is a good advantage if you don't want to be sending each other individual documents to put them all together. If you still want to know how to do this, then stay tuned because we're going to be doing a tutorial. Zavala, and I am going to be showing you how to use Google Docs. So the first step is going to be to launch your Safari app or your internet web browser, and you are going to this link, docs.google.com, and you're going to enter your college email address and password. After you log in, this is the screen that's going to appear. In my case, I have all these documents because I've been working with my classmates for some works. But in your case, you want to open a new document in which you will be clicking this blank page here. You're gonna click on it, and after that, a document similar to the one in the Word app is going to appear. After that, you're going to click on here on this share button, and now my classmate Antonio is going to be showing you how to share your document.
First of all, as Roberto said, I'm going to show you how to share a Google document, and we're going to show you the normal formats and how we can see people working on the same Google Docs. So I'm going to share it with Sairalis in this case. Wait a minute, cause I'm going to do a brand new document right quick. First of all, you enter Google Docs, brand new document, you put a title, how to use Google Docs. I'm going to share it with Sairalis. And as we can see here, it has been sent through the email. Let's see if she has entered the Google Docs. Okay, as we see here on the upper right, she has entered the Google Docs, and now she's going to explain to us the normal formats of Google Docs.
Thanks, Antonio. Well, when you get into the document, you will write whatever you want and however you want. Also, you have the same options in this program of the program of Word. You have the time of letter, like here, time in Roman, and number 12. You write however you want and get with all the options you have. And both of those, you will see the change that to the partner. In this case, I see who is writing into the document, that is Antonio. So you can write whatever he write. Also, you can see all the change that everybody do it on the document. And this is really what you see is like a Word document. You can write everything you want, however you want. So I'm good with Antonio to show how to download this document.
Thank you, Sarah Liz. How to save the document and download it. First of all, everything you write here, you can close this right away and enter through the email again, and it will be there safe for you. But if you want it saved in your computer, you're going to go to File, Download, and in this case, you want the Microsoft Word format, or if you want to use another format, usually it is PDF, but in this case, Microsoft Word. And this has been all. Thank you for your attention.